It has been a whirlwind week already as every level of government takes steps to try and prevent the spread of COVID-19. Garrett Berger has been keeping in touch with officials on what they're doing and what's happening in the San Antonio area.
He joins us live now from JBSA Lackland, where evacuees from the Grand Princess cruise ship have been under quarantine. And Garrett, what is the latest?
Well, we're learning that more non-Texan evacuees have been leaving the quarantine here at JBSA Lackland to go back to their home states. Just a few hours ago, 10 Iowans were flown back to their home state to continue quarantine there. And a federal spokesman said that people from several other states have gone back to their own states as well. However, 124 people are still quarantined on base, though. And there are another 4 evacuees who were on base but were taken off after getting a positive test result. Dozens of the remaining evacuees are still from at least 8 other states besides Texas, even though the mayor had announced last week he'd been told Lackland would be used only for Texans for longer than 72 hours. Meanwhile, here in the San Antonio area community, we know of 4 travel-related cases, including a doctor at University Hospital. We've also learned that Metro Health has a 5th positive test, which is under investigation, so we do not know how that person got COVID-19. Now, we haven't had any confirmed cases of anybody getting the disease locally, but officials are taking precautions. San Antonio's Mayor Ron Nirenberg has prohibited any crowds of people over 50, though that doesn't include restaurants, bars, or grocery stores. Judge Nelson Wolff had previously issued a public health emergency declaration, including a prohibition of gatherings over 500 people, an earlier benchmark.
It also included the fact that we're not going to be having jury trials, a number of major initiatives that we're taking at the jail to protect the public. We don't want an outbreak there that spreads out through the community.
Wolff is expected to announce new procedures at a press conference tomorrow morning. Now, another drive-through testing operation could be opening up in the area as soon as tomorrow. Whereas the first drive-through operation, which opened last week, has been only for first responders and healthcare workers, officials are hoping to expand that eligibility to include people older than 65 who have fevers of 99.6 or higher. Everybody going through these operations would still need a doctor's order. And as for getting a doctor's order, if you think you might need testing, Metro Health has been updating its testing criteria and continuing to look at that right now, unless you have some kind of danger, such as being in close contact with a confirmed case of COVID-19, or you are a first responder, or maybe you have maybe you're more at risk for having a severe case of COVID-19. Generally, you're not going to be able to get a test unless your symptoms are so bad that they would hospitalize you. As he said, those testing recommendations are still being looked at as we speak. Live outside JBSA Lackland, Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.